Introduce features interest of COOCHEER 17-in-1 Instapot 6 quart electric pressure cooker, air fryer combo, 1500 watts slow cooker, multi-cooker, rice cooker with nesting broil rack/2 detachable lids, smart LED touchscreen, recipe book. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Magician of the kitchen 2 pots in 1. Our small Instapot pressure cooker perfectly combos which easily switch between air fryer and pressure cooker. With a simple switch of 2 detachable lids. Instapot has multi-purpose cooking capabilities, including steam, pressure cook, slow cook, air fryer, dehydrate, bake, roast, broil for preparing mouth-watering dishes with more flavors. Simple yet convenient panel design. 17-in-1 Instapot pressure cookers with 17 selectable presets to cook whatever you want. Just choose your dish with a one-touch program. You may never dream of making sophisticated dishes on your own. We are telling you it's just a matter of button pressing. Congee or homemade yogurt for breakfast. Burger, roasted chicken sandwich, fish and chips for lunch. Just name it and our electric pot will take care of the rest. Fast cooking and 360, rapid air circulation. Our Instapot multi-cooker speeds up the cooking process by 70% compared to conventional cooking methods but remains crispy and tasty results. Air fryer lid uses a unique 360 rapid air circulation technology to reduce 85% of fat while maintaining the crispy taste. Tips: to ensure safety, our rice cookers will slowly release the pressure during and after heating to keep the pressure stable. Lids separation design and easy to clean. We are the first to have the lids separation technology for air fryer and pressure cooker combos, which combines the functions of both, becoming a cooking and crisping cooker. Provided with this design, cleaning of this 2-in-1 cooker will be more convenient. You would just need to take off the lid and gently wash. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell. Look for all. Press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.